Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Trish at Creativemind Creations. Today I'm going to be showing you or sharing with you a creation that I made from using a tutorial. I think it's called Darn's Creations. I don't remember what it is, but it's from a blog that I found on Pinterest. And what I doing now in my new group, Crafty Manipulators, is that I have this twice every month or every 2 weeks. It's called the Pintry, meaning that I will be posting things that are crafty things that I found on Pinterest, posted it in my group as a challenge, and it's going to try the Pinterest pin. So that's why I call it a Pintry. So the first Pintry that we did in my group is the cracker box. And this is it, and this is just like one end, that was open at both ends. So this was what I came up with. Again, there was a tutorial that I posted in a group, and there were some members of the group that did participate in it, and they came up with their own little box. They decorated it any way they wanted to. I think most of us did it in Halloween, so this is my version of Halloween. And the paper that I used is from an old recollection stack, again from Michael's. I have a lot of old stacks that I need to start using up and stop buying new paper. Actually, I really slowed down on buying paper, so I'm just trying to use it what I got. So this is paper from Recollections, and actually it was a piece that I cut off the bottom that actually was dark, and it gradually went up into lighter density of bats. So I thought that was cute. I tied some black and orange glitter ribbon around it, put a little black bling there, and went on this. This is a sticker, and I stuck it on a piece of black cardstock, and I used a pair of my scissors that had the decorative edge, cut around the edge, and then I did a crepe paper rosette around the back of it, and I popped it up on the crepe paper, and then I stuck it in the box of hot glue. So it turned out pretty cute. I like it. So that's just a quick share that I want to show you all. This is my first time making a cracker box, and so this is kind of fun. So I'm going to be making some more of these. This is really cute. All right, so that's all I want to show you right now. It's a quick try, or a quick share for my Pintry challenge on my new group again at Crafty Manipulators on Facebook. We're going to be doing other challenges and swaps and collaborations and all kinds of things in there. I'm going to try to keep it lively and fun, and me and some other ladies that I probably mentioned before. I'm pretty sure I mentioned before about my new group. We are all trying to come up with new ideas instead of doing the same thing, that everybody else is doing. Because I've always been like that. I always want to do something different. So yeah. So come on over to Facebook and look us up at Crafty Manipulators again on Facebook, and join us and join in on fun. So thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.